Good day, students. Welcome to isifeedublog. I am your physics teacher, Stephen Chooks, and today we are going to talk about wave. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Today we are going to treat a very important topic in physics, which is wave. And under wave, the course outline, we are going to know what wave is. We are going to talk about the classes of wave and the types of wave. Then we'll talk about the terms used in wave. After that, we are going to treat the characteristics of wave, and then we enter into the important parts of wave, which is light wave and sound wave. And under light wave, we treat plane mirrors, curved mirrors, and lenses. And under sound wave, we treat vibrations in pipes and in strings. For more exercise, don't forget to check out the links below for the WAEC past questions and solution, JAMB past questions and solution, post-UME past questions and solution. Let us start. Okay, so what is wave? We say that a wave is a disturbance which travels through a medium, transferring energy from one point to another without permanent displacement of the medium. So first of all, we have 3 points here. First of all is that a wave is a disturbance. Secondly, it must travel through a medium. The medium could be solid, liquid, gas, or vacuum. Then, most importantly, without permanent displacement of the medium. Let us break it one after the other. A wave is a disturbance, which means that in the medium, the wave must cause a disturbance. The wave must shake the medium. Let us take, for example, water wave. How do we produce a water wave? When you throw a stone into a pool of water, you will notice that the face of the water is going to form a wavefront that will spread from the point of action. Those disturbances, when you view them, the disturbance looks like this. Hence, this disturbance travels from one point to another, which means it is traveling through a medium. What it means is that a wave cannot propagate or travel without a medium. Finally, without permanent displacement of the medium. What do we mean by that? Even though the disturbance moves, the particle of water at that particular point, let us take for example, we have particles of water here. The particle of water at this point cannot move from here to here. The particle of water at this point only performs a simple harmonic motion, which means it only goes up and down, where the disturbance moves in this direction. We can prove this if you have any floating object on the surface of this water and wave is produced. You will notice that the floating object, let us take for example, in an ocean, you have a boat, and then a wave moves under the boat. You will notice that this boat will keep going up and down, but it will not move from one point to the other. So this is to show that the wave does not move, the wave does not displace the particle of water at a particular position. After this, we now need to talk about the classes of wave.